Oh, how the gentle wind beckons through the leaves as autumn.
Hello everyone, this is Darcyman Limso. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video. It's a mini vlog video to introduce ourselves. In this video, we'll be making a lot of videos like cooking and many other things. It will be all about vlogging and much more. Cardom Pini la so vlog long nang litung panang kipakrang ponchi lakini tumarong lapen pini nilitung kijui tam a video hai si nang pakrang poni ko to tang tinang lang doni pong tha lakini di tumarong lo a view ta lang me pekan to tang te nang lang doni pong tha ini ay kisu lit cherason mating piawin kisang da mahut nili hemi thanan tanang tun etsi ani ga parong so takali amen lage mimi pen momo
mama oh lalaki Vivek ni Wag, idang. Ah. Dah, dah. Dah. Dah, 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 dah. Dah. Mimi.
aning ka parong rinti so takali nang litun tanang lang dun ikta labang ke pini arni ke so o amat amdet kamunay do na hut lasi pini vlog ke lapuan si ing tonton ikok po jong silang misen plotes. Please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you cannot miss any video, and if you have any suggestion please drop us a message in the comment box. Thank you.